Imagine yourself so tiny just as the earth is flat. For you now the earth is in one dimension. Until and unless you don't go at a height, the earth continue to remain what you believe it in the first place, one dimension. The height made you realize that there is a depth. We believe in reality because we know it exists.
We came up with two theories to understand the universe, the theory of relativity and quantum mechanics, where theory of relativity tells us that nothing can travel faster than the speed of light, and it also tells us the location of planets after years.
But if we look universe at the quantum state, the laws that we made completely breaks to understand the universe. Newton's laws of motion and theory of relativity no longer work near a black hole.
Now at the quantum state, we exist more than once at the same time. Now applying quantum mechanics to Sun, a celestial body, will the Sun be existing twice? Or it's likely to be the end of solar system? Then what is reality? Enter to the theory of everything, the string theory. We thought that the atom was the smallest part of a substance, and after that we went to electrons that are at quantum clouds, and then to a nucleus which itself has particles, protons, neutrinos, and what's inside it? We thought there will be something. Then we got quarks. But what's in there?
Because then the particle becomes so small that not even light can touch it. Because of its size, becomes so small than compared to the wavelength of light.
We have also discussed Heisenberg uncertainty principle in the video of us, teleportation. But for now, the simplest way to measure an electron is striking a particle of light, photon,
and collecting the light particle in a microscope. But that scattering changes the momentum of an electron. We lost all the information about the particle. Measuring the information changes it.
Then how will we identify what's inside it?
We imagined a particle as a point in space because we no longer see them. By understanding quantum field theory or the point particle, we invented lots of things like hydrogen therapy and quantum solvents.
And it worked so well for us, but as we apply gravity to it, the mathematics or the way we imagine things in a mathematical way completely breaks down. Our laws no longer works beyond that.
We need something new. Imagine if the sun disappears. To us it will take 8 minutes and 20 seconds just to understand it, because the sun rays take this much time to reach us. But according to Newton, gravity will lose immediately and everyone can understand it before the light ends to us.
But nothing can travel faster than the speed of light. How do gravity?
Then Albert told to revolve around the sun. Planets do not use gravity, else the curved space or the fabric of space-time. Gravity is not a force. Imagine a heavy ball placed at the center. Now put a few balls around it. The smaller balls will move to the depth of the heavy ball.
The fabric of space and time should be measured very accurately. But according to the phenomenon of quantum mechanics and superposition, the position of an entity cannot be measured perfectly, or if we measure it, it changes it completely. So we were on the way to find something new. Then we invented a new story, a string. A string is the smallest particle of a substance, and it vibrates inside it. The vibration of a string generates particles like neutrinos, quarks, and electrons. These vibrations are just as vibrations in a sound wave, and the different types of vibration generate different types of particles. But according to Albert, the time moves forward and backward at the same time. Yes, the fourth dimension.
Time. Essentially, picture yourself at a very moment. Now imagine yourself 5 minutes ago, or 5 days ago, or 5 years ago, or if you want to really blow your mind away, 5 centuries away, to grasp a world observed from the fourth dimension. as our is from the third. Picture each of these variation of yourself as a physical connected along a line of time.
By the time you are watching this video, 1 to 3 million cells of your body has died. 1 to 3 million every second. Your cell can live without you, but you cannot live without them. Are you the one who started this video? Or you are just an information? And as always, thanks for watching.